channel of Plot Designs, where we are doing a collab of the 12 days of Christmas wood. Today's design is a really simple but a fun one. So why don't you go to the description below and print yourself off our template. Alright, we got our template, we got a pencil, we got some scissors, and no, we're not cutting out gingerbread men. We're cutting out a Christmas gift tag. This is the board that we're going to be tracing onto. It's just a scrap piece of wood, so maybe you'll find something laying around in your own shop. As long as you've got a nice sharp blade with lots of teeth, you can cut this out on any tool. You can use a jigsaw, you can use a table saw, you can use a chop saw, you can use a scroll saw. There are so many possibilities. Now that we have one of our tags cut out, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a hole right in the top over here so that we can hang it with some pretty ribbon. If you got that part done, then you're good to go. All you're going to do now is repeat all these steps and make another one exactly like this. And it's as easy as that, you guys. We got our two tags. Now we're going to give everything a light sanding around the edges to take away the sharpness. And then we're gonna decorate. Now comes the fun part of designing our Christmas tags. Up here at the North Pole, we have elves working in workshops all over the place. I get to work in the wood workshop. We also have a vinyl workshop. So I went ahead and had those elves at the vinyl workshop print me out a little design that we could put on our Christmas tags. We finished our two tags, and well, when you hang them, they're looking kind of sad, kind of like Rudolph before he became so popular. So we're gonna fix them. There's really nothing quite like greeting your guests with a season's greetings door tag sign. We're only 2 days in on our Christmas countdown, so make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell to stay tuned and see what's coming next.